si tatay. Oh,
Venus Catherine with high honors. Third place, Municipal Tokyo Traditional Short-Field Company.
bakit nag-third honor? Lagad, may second honor pa naman ah. Ayan oh.
Seventh Sunday with high honors.
Ayan. Guys, kung makikita nyo si tatay po, no, medyo umano na, umeksena na, bakit tinawag yung iba. Pero siya,